Number 1. 1968 Ford Ranchero 500, $3,000, Berwick, Iowa. This 1968 Ford Ranchero 500 delivers classic muscle car style with pickup versatility. It's powered by a 302 V8 paired with a C6 automatic and 8-inch rear end, and the drivetrain is said to be in excellent condition. It runs and drives well, making it a practical project you can enjoy immediately. The body shows typical Iowa rust in the rear quarters and a repaired rear floor, though the frame rails remain solid. With a clean title, 65,000 miles indicated, and many new parts, it's an affordable restoration candidate or fun weekend cruiser. Number 2. 1989 Ford F-150, $7,000, Sacramento, California. This 1989 Ford F-150 shows 95,000 miles and comes with a clean title. It runs strong and presents nicely with both heat and air conditioning working properly. Late 80s F-Series trucks are increasingly valued for their durability and classic squared design. This example appears well cared for and ready for reliable daily driving. Number 3. 1968 Ford F-150, $2,600, Fort Worth, Texas. This 1968 Ford F-150 is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It runs and drives and includes a clean title. Showing 147,000 miles and finished in traditional green, it's a straightforward and budget-friendly way into classic late 1960s Ford truck ownership. Number 4. 1985 Toyota Pickup 4x4, $6,000. Powered by the dependable 22R engine and a manual transmission, this 1985 Toyota 4x4 had its engine rebuilt around 77,000 miles ago. With 266,456 miles showing, new wheels and tires, and a clean title, it runs strong and highlights the proven reliability of mid-1980s Toyota pickups. Number 5. 1981 Volkswagen Rabit diesel truck, $5,900, Los Angeles, California. This 1981 Volkswagen Rabit diesel pickup features a 4-cylinder diesel engine and 5-speed manual transmission. It shows 72,600 miles and carries a clean title. A recently installed injection pump keeps it running well. These compact diesel trucks are rare and becoming increasingly collectible. Number 6. 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside long bed, $3,800, Brady, Texas. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside maintains its original character and is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. With about 50,000 miles shown, strong oil pressure, new tires, and a new fuel sending unit, it's a solid project. The cab corners need replacement, but it offers a good foundation for restoration. Number 7. 1962 Dodge D100 Fleetside, $4,000. This 1962 Dodge D100 project is powered by a 318 Poly V8 mated to a 727 push-button automatic. It features dual exhaust, front disc brakes, and a new starter. Extra transmissions are included, and a 440 V8 is available separately, making it an attractive build for Mopar fans. Number 8. 1981 Ford F-250 4x4, $2,500, Colfax, Washington. This 1981 Ford F-250 4x4 runs a 351 Windsor V8 with performance upgrades and a C6 automatic transmission. It runs strong, doesn't burn oil, and has a solid body with new heavy-duty radial tires. A dependable classic 4x4 work truck. Number 9. 1986 Toyota Pickup Hilux RWD, $5,000, Santa Monica, California. Equipped with the 2.4-liter 22R engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1986 Toyota Hilux shows 215,230 miles and has a clean title. It recently passed emissions. A long-term California truck, it runs smoothly and reflects Toyota's well-known durability. Number 10. 1964 Ford F600, $500, Warrensburg, Missouri. This 1964 Ford F600 dump truck is powered by a Y-block V8 and manual transmission. It cranks but does not start and will require towing. With around 70,000 miles shown and a solid frame, it's a budget-friendly heavy-duty project. The title is missing. Number 11. 1984 Ford F100 Stepside, $1,200, Lakeside, Oregon. This 1984 Ford F100 Stepside features a V8 and automatic transmission. It runs but needs tires and a radiator. With a clean title and solid frame, it offers an inexpensive restoration opportunity with desirable Stepside styling. Number 12. 1980 Chevrolet C20 4-ton, $9,500, Santa Rosa, California. This 1980 Chevrolet C20 shows 54,000 miles on a professionally rebuilt engine and 94,700 miles on the odometer. Owned by its second owner since 1992, it runs strong and includes a lumber rack and toolbox, making it a well-kept and practical square-body truck.